How to submit Micple campaign form. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to create a promotional campaigns for Micple. Let's get started. First, you have to log in to Micple account and go to campaign dashboard. Secondly, you have to answer a few key questions, then you will access Micple campaigns. Please make sure you provide accurate and truthful responses, as this will determine your eligibility to work with us. 1. What type of marketer are you? Paid or free? If you are paid marketer, type paid. If you are a free marketer, then type free too. How many leads can you commit to sending per day? Typically between 5 and 100. Type numbers between 5 to hundreds. 3. What traffic sources will you use? For example, Google Ads, FB ads, native ads, etc. If you want to use FB ads as traffic sources, then type FB ads. If you want otherwise, then please type that specific ads. 4. What types of offers are you interested in promoting? For example, like credit score, TransUnion credit score, choice credit score, identity IQ, scorecaster IQ, free score, your score, and more, secure max antivirus or more, etc. Select one of those and type that according to your selection. 5. Have you read and agreed to our campaign's policy? Remember, compliance is critical for long-term success. Lastly, if you have previous experience, share your past results, including stats, screenshots, or even live real-time videos, to strengthen your application. Once you've completed this form, our team will review your application, and if approved, you'll gain access to exclusive Micple campaigns. What's the advantages of other CPA network versus Micple campaigns? 1. Publisher accounts are not terminated due IP issues. 2. CPA top trending regular all type of offers available without request for offer approval because all offers auto-approved, no needed ad placement, creative mockup, and landing page 3. You can work directly using the offer tracking link, landing page use not mandatory. 4. Minimum payout 100 USD, local bank and digital currency. 5. Micple pays on daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly-based payments.